ready. Today's lesson is on the pull down machine. This is going to work the back muscles, upper back area, center upper back area. It is not meant to work the lower back, and I will explain that as I get onto the machine. Anyway, the first thing that you want to do is set your weight to the desired position for you. Okay, I've got that set. Grab the handlebars and take a seat. Put your knees at a 90 degree and just take one of your hands and lock the bar in over your waist so you don't pop up. Okay? I like to hold the machine here versus here because I think it works more at the back, it works more at the tricep, and for women especially it works more here. Guys tend to like to hold it here because it works the upper back more and shoulders, which guys like to work on their shoulders, but girls don't as much. Okay, so anyway, if you could bring the camera around, it's very important that everything be 90 degrees. So my legs are 90 degrees, my knees are 90 degrees, and my body, and especially my back, is 90 degrees. You don't want to be out here, you don't want to be leaning back, you don't want to be too far forward, you want to be 90 degrees. And when you pull the bar down, come straight down with the arms without bending the back. You're using the arms to pull the machine down, you are not using the back. But when you use the arms to pull the machine down, you're working the upper muscles and the center upper muscles of the back. If you crank on too much weight, if you have too much weight on here, you're going to be forced to use your back in order to pull the machine down, and that is not the right technique. We see a lot of people doing that because they want to be impressive and use extra weight, but instead of strengthening the upper back, what you're doing is you're straining the lower back. So I am going to take some weight off to a comfortable position so that I can easily, but enough of a challenge, pull the machine down only using my arm muscles. So in addition to the upper back muscles and the upper center back muscles, I am also working a little bit of the bicep and a little bit down here. And that's the proper way to use the pull down machine. And when you're done, you just bend your knees, stand up so that you can replace the machine to the top. What you don't want to do is let go. If you let go, it's going to slap the stack. And another very important thing about the pull down machine is when you have it down, you cannot or you don't want to change the pin or change the dial. Too many people try to change the dials because they don't want to put the stack down, and then it gets jammed. And it will stay jammed until one of us gets here to fix it, so it won't be able to be used by anybody else. So if you need to change the weight, stand up, change the weight, change your dial, then resume your exercise. Okay? That's how you use the pull down. And when we're done, of course, we wipe down our equipment to keep the place clean and sanitized for us and for others. Thank you.